We are here to solve a matrix questions, which is a multiplications of matrix. How do we go about this? A very good question like this. This is, let A be 3, 2, 4, 1, 5 minus 1, and B is 4, 5, 3, 1 minus 2, 4. But you have to consider two things that are very common in solving a matrix question. The first thing you have to consider is this. There's something we call rows and column. So these all fall to the rows, row 1, row 2, row 3. So yeah, it has only two column 1, column 2. In B, we have two rows and 3 columns, row 1, row 2, column 1, column 2, column 3. So how do we solve this? So in solving a question of this form, the first formula to know is what we call the rows, which is this, to multiply columns. This is formula for matrix multiplication. We have two types of matrix multiplication. We have a constant value multiplication of matrix, and we have a matrix multiplication whereby we are multiplying two values of matrix together. So in doing this, you place it beside, which is our AB. We now give you this is the value of AB. We have 3, 2, 4, 1, 5 minus 1. So you write this beside something like this. We have 4, 3 minus 2, 5, 1, 4. Now, this is, you have to consider all the question very well, because you must write the question clearly, because a matrix, a singular mistake can make you to mix up. So let's consider the question again. 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 1, 4, 1, 5 minus 1, 5 minus 1. This is 4, 5, 4, 5, 3, 1, 3, 1 minus 2 and 4. So this is where we are going to. Now, the logic for matrix multiplication is, I've said it early, the row will multiply column. So I have to draw a very big array bracket. This bracket is what we call array bracket. So the meaning of bracket in matrix is just like array bracket, because those are what we use to denote matrix. So therefore, in multiplying this, let's have a very big bracket, a very big array bracket. So which we want to note, because this one will give us 3 by 3 matrix. So let's start. What we're going to do, the first procedure is this. We multiply this, that's the first one. This, we multiply this, this row, we multiply the column. So this row, we multiply the column 1 by 1. So to now give you row 1, column 1, row 1, column 2, row 1, column 3, because this is row 1, column 1. So let's start multiplying. So 3 will multiply 5. Let's try to write it here. 3 times 5. So by multiplying 3 times 5, it is, let's start. So 3 times 4, let's start here. 3 times 4. Now plus 3 times 4 plus 2 times 5 plus 2 times 5. You close the bracket. That is the first element. We call all this, in matrix, we don't call it number, we call it element. So the 3 times 4 plus 2 times 5, that is the procedure. Again, 3 times 3, 3 times 3, 3 times 3 plus 2 times 1 plus 2 times 1. That's just it. 3 will multiply 3, 2 will multiply 1. So let's also do this to this column. We have 3 times minus 2. 3 times minus 2 plus 3 times minus 2 plus 2 times 4. We have 2 times 4. So that is the array bracket. So therefore, you do this again. It's the same procedure. 4 times 4. You write it here. 4 times 4 plus. So this one is multiplying. So 4 will multiply 4. 1 times 5. 1 times 5. You close the bracket. So this row is able to have multiplied this column. The row again will multiply this column. So 4 times 3, we have 4 times 3 plus 4 times 3 plus 1 times 1. 1 times 1. No, another bracket. Don't put comma because they don't put comma in matrix. So now, this another row will multiply the column. So 4 times minus 2. So to give you 4 times minus 2 plus 4 times minus 2 plus 1 times 4. 1 times 4. So we are under the array. So the last row want to multiply the last the last procedure. So 5 times 4. You write it here. 5 times 4 plus 5 times 4 minus 1 times 5 plus minus 1 times 5. Now, this is applicable to this again. 5 times 3. 5 times 3. You multiply minus 1 times 1 plus minus 1 times 1. So, we are going to the last element. 5 times minus 2. 5 times minus 2 plus minus 1 times 4. Minus 1 times 4. So, now, this is what we are going to. So, let's now try to multiply. Together we have, this is 12. Bracket 12 plus 10. You put it here. This is 9. 9 plus 2. Now, this is minus 6 plus 8. Minus 6 plus 8. You close the array bracket. This is 20. This is, we are 16. 16 plus 5. This is 16 plus 5. This is 4 times 4. 16 plus 5. So this one again, we have 12 plus 1. Yes. So this one is minus 8 plus 4. Minus 8 plus 4. So the last one we have 20 plus minus 5. This is this. Let me try to denote it so you're able to know that I'm here. This is 15. 15 plus, this is minus 1. Minus 1. 15 plus minus 1. So another one is, this is minus 10. Minus 10 minus 4. So let's clean the board. So I can able to write the answer here. So in the array bracket, so the value of AB now, the value of AB, let's start. 12 plus 10 give us 22. 9 plus 2, it gives us 11. Minus 6 plus 8, it gives us 2. 16 plus 5, it gives us 21. 12 plus 1, it gives us 13. Minus 8 plus 4, it gives us minus 4. So this one again, this is 20, because it's 4. 20 plus minus 5. So we have 15. This is 15. Now 15 minus 1, we have 14. Minus 10 minus 4. So this is 15 plus minus 1 to give us this. So we have minus 14. So if we were able to see this, it gives us 3 by 3 matrix. So these are the best explanation to multiply matrix of 2. Don't even consider maybe they are of the same orders. Like this, you know, A is in order 3 by 2, and 3, this is 1, 3 by 2, that is row by column, and a B is in order, this is a 2 by 3, 2 by 3. So that is why you see our AB will now give us 3 by 3. So thanks for watching this video. Bye. So, and at the same time, try to subscribe to this channel to know when next I'm releasing a video. So, and also, we are still on matrix now.